Where's the momentum lying now going forward? Let's try and decode that with Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh Mehrani as always. And Dilip Bhatt also joins us to talk to us about the fundamentals of the market. Kunal, tomorrow is expiry. We were expecting some big moves, but for now, very, very tepid.
Yeah, it's a tepid market, so a better adjective would be it's more of a dull kind of a market when you look at the index movement. But then the other end of the market is that there's a lot of vibrancy or momentum which has come back into the mid cap end of the market or tier to large cap names where there is a strong follow through price action. Some of the names which even Nikunj was highlighting, Keynes, etc. These stocks have done remarkably well. You look at the mid cap end of the market, trade the likes of NCC, for example, has managed to spring back into momentum after hitting that sub 100 mark on an intraday basis, and a lot of other individual stocks which are riding on some sort of a decent momentum over the last couple of days. Those stocks are seeing a good follow through. So I think the markets are actually broken into two different or distinct parts. One is the large cap names, the benchmark indices, etc., where there is a lot of dull kind of a movement. But the other end of the market is where there is a lot of momentum which is still coming by. That generally indicates that we are into a consolidation when we look at the index. But then there's a lot of activity in terms of stock specific.
Nooresh, what is the word in your dictionary which describes today's or this week's price action?
So the way to say it is never short a dull market. So till the time we are in the trend, there is no sense to short small dips. So for now, it is basically be stock specific. What is interesting is Nifty may have not moved up, but if you look at the mid cap index today, it is just 0.5% away from an all-time high. So that's the kind of momentum which is shaping up in a mid-cap side of it. Small caps have not done as much in the last couple of sessions, but overall the broader market continues to remain same. The large heavyweights have done nothing, so Reliance is still down from the 15% from the highs, from the all-time highs. HDFC Bank continues to struggle over the last 2 years. So overall the trend is still positive, and stock-specific action continues to be positive. Globally, we've seen a correction over the last few sessions, but we've not seen a similar one in India. That's an indication of outperformance. So continue to ride on to the move.